What's up everybody, Curtis here, and welcome back to Digibit Tech. So a couple videos ago when I was talking about how to bring your motherboard back to life, I'll put the card to that video right about here. I mentioned that back in 2008 I first started PC gaming, and it's been a love affair ever since. Well, I also mentioned that I would like to do a ultimate 2008 build, where I just pile hardware that there was no way I could afford back in high school into a case, and that would be my old school gaming machine. So that is exactly what we're gonna start today. So welcome to the ultimate 2008 build, part 1. Okay, so besides all my clutter over there, what you're looking at is actually a Phobia 360mm radiator mount. I did trim an ear off of it, make some holes, and cut out all the slotting in the middle here with the Dremel, so that way I could mount it to the front panel here. Now, I did have to cut out some fan holes here. As you can see, now I have these holes which allow for clearance of the bracket, which is going to run 90 degrees to this. There was a whole lot of dead space. I didn't want to put in a big fancy reservoir, so I figured a radiator would be a good way to fill it. So the radiator will actually sit like beside the motherboard tray, kind of like that. Got standoffs on the motherboard, everything's all painted up. I broke my rule on this. I always primer 2 coats, sand, paint 3 base coats, and then clear coat. And I just spray painted. I broke my rule. I'm kind of paying for it because now, I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up that well. That coat is not super even, it's not super flat, so, oh well. This is on the inside anyway, and the majority of it's going to be covered with the motherboard. So, yeah, with all that painted, I know it didn't look like I made a ton of progress, but I've definitely, here, let me turn this around so I can talk to you all. So I know it doesn't look like I got a ton done on this build, but I've been working on this for probably like 8 to 9 hours now. I started at like 6:15. Me and the wife ran some errands about midday, came back, and got right back to work on it. So I have put in my hours for today. I am done. I'm covered in overspray. I'm sweaty, nasty. So I'm definitely gonna take a shower. But with that being said, iMac build isn't going anywhere. Still working on it. I've got to source some parts for it, so that's gonna take a little bit. So I went ahead and jumped on the Ultimate 2008 build. Now I still need a PSU. I still gotta do custom cables and all that jazz. So honestly, I'm probably still looking at like 30 to 40 hours on this build yet to do. I don't mind though, because I find this really fun. I find it kind of relaxing. But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed it. Again, this is part 1. I'm going to be coming at you with multiple parts to this little series. And hopefully I can teach you some stuff. And you all can be doing these mods. So with that being said, thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button. If you disliked it, hit that dislike button. You won't hurt my feelings. Also, sound off in the comments down below. Let me know what case mods you all like to do and that you would like to see me do to this build. Don't forget to hit me up on social media. I will put the tag right here. And also be sure to tune into the weekly live stream, Player Tuesday. We do it every Tuesday at 6:30 Eastern Time, and we would love to have you guys there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya.